Foundry is not about the space, it is the idea, it is the concept, which is very similar to what Edward de Bono said in his book, that it's about the 6 different thinking hats where the students can wear them in a parallel way and they can critically think in different manner and ideate whatever is there in their mind and practically bring it into happening, the business idea that they have. It's not only about space that we've provided to our students, there's a complete curriculum behind it, which talks about business, it talks about financial literacy, digitization, and many more other things which bring it together and help students bring their ideas into reality. I would request all our students to make the best of BIC Foundry and make their dreams come true.